How to dispel suspicion of poison in cooked food. If you have concerns or suspicions about the safety of cooked food and believe it may have been poisoned, it's essential to prioritize safety and take appropriate steps to address the situation. Here are some steps to follow. 1. Do not consume the food. If you have any doubts about the safety of cooked food, do not eat it or allow anyone else to eat it. Your first priority is to ensure safety. 2. Isolate the food. If possible, remove the suspected food from the reach of others to prevent anyone else from consuming it. 3. Gather information. Try to gather as much information as possible about the food's preparation and handling. Ask questions about who prepared the food, where it was prepared, and if any unusual circumstances or events occurred during the cooking process. 4. Contact the authorities. In many countries, there are agencies or hotlines dedicated to food safety and poisoning concerns. Contact the appropriate local authorities or a poison control center immediately for guidance on how to handle the situation. Provide them with all available information about the food and the situation. 5. Preserve evidence. If you believe that someone may have intentionally tampered with the food or poisoned it, preserve any evidence. This includes the remaining food. Keep it covered and refrigerated if possible. Packaging. If the food was in a container or packaging, retain it. Utensils and cookware. Keep any utensils or cookware used in preparing the food. Any other relevant items, document anything else that may be related to the incident. 6. Seek medical attention. If you or anyone who has consumed the food experiences symptoms of food poisoning, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, abdominal pain, etc., seek immediate medical attention. Inform the healthcare provider of your suspicions and provide any relevant information about the food. 7. Report the incident. Report the incident to the appropriate authorities and cooperate fully with any investigations that may follow. This includes providing information about the food source, any potential suspects, and any circumstances that raised your suspicions. 8. Follow professional advice. Follow the guidance and instructions provided by medical professionals and authorities. They will be best equipped to assess the situation and take appropriate actions. Food safety is a serious matter, and suspicions of food poisoning or tampering should not be taken lightly. Always prioritize the safety and well-being of yourself and others by following proper procedures and seeking professional guidance when necessary.